In this video, I'll show you how to change your profile picture on TikTok step by step. Updating your profile picture is a simple way to refresh your profile and personalize your account with a new photo. Let's get started. First, open the TikTok app on your phone. Next, tap the profile icon in the bottom right corner of the screen to go to your profile page. Once you're on your profile, tap Edit, which appears just below your current profile picture. On the next screen, tap Change Photo. TikTok will now give you two options. You can take a new photo using your camera or upload a picture from your phone's gallery. Choose the option you prefer. In this example, we'll select a photo from the gallery. After selecting the image, you may be able to adjust or crop the photo to fit your profile picture. Once everything looks good, tap Save in the bottom right corner to apply the change. Your TikTok profile picture will now be updated. If this video helped you out, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more simple and helpful tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.